Rosa has bypassed Bubbletown, it is now battering downtown Pryorville. The winds are so strong they threaten to destroy the entire metropolitan area. But there is hope, citizens. I've just learned that Robix Corp has launched an experimental robot called Celsius. He's currently in the sky above Pryorville, and at this time, he's our town's only hope for survival.
Celsius has just entered the eye of the storm.
Celsius, we know this is your first time, but we need you to do this.
I'm scared.
Well, that's natural. But we need you to try, okay?
Okay. I'm not ready for this.
Let's just take a minute, and then we'll give it another try.
Pull right, Maximix!
Pulling right.
Go under, Cubix! Ready and... capture! Now, Maximix, capture!
Got him. Oh.
It's too windy! Let's raise our altitude.
You got it.
And now!
Oh.
We gotta get that pig!
The storm was supposed to go north of here. I sure hope it does. I'd hate it if they had to cancel the kite flying contest. Wind strength reaching 140 miles per hour.
Celsius, you're built to withstand gale force winds.
Direct lightning hits and tornado funnels. We know you can do this. Now let's give it another try.
Okay. I'm ready. Here I go!
Celsius, the eye is spreading. We need a double charge.
Double charge. Okay, I won't let you down. Okay, ready to launch double charge. And launching!
He's lowered the pressure, but in the wrong direction.
Storm has changed course by 120 degrees.
Oh no! It's heading right for Bubbletown.
In the future, not so far away, it's the dawning of an all-new day. Robots for everyone. Machines that care could be our friends, side by side until the end. Robots for everyone. They build special powers right inside.
Hundreds of models from which to choose.
With emotion-driven
The
EPUs.
worlds of good and bad collide, gotta fight day and night. Cause you got the robot who sets everything right. Cubix, powers beyond compare. Cubix, evil forces better beware. Cubix, if there's trouble we will always be there. Robots for everyone. Cubix.
Dive now, Maximix!
Diving and almost had him. I got a clean line. Let's move in.
Capture!
Whoa! It's too windy.
Uh-oh. Cubix, reverse glide.
Okay.
Reel it in!
I can't. Oh no!
Got it.
Victory! That was total luck, and you know it.
It's getting pretty windy all of a sudden. I know! I sure hope the hurricane didn't change course. Oh, Cerebus! Put the umbrella up!
Deploying aerial water barrier.
Come on!
Winds increasing at exponential rate. They will reach hurricane force in 5 minutes.
I can't hold on to this! My kite!
I'll get it. Get back over here.
I don't like blustery days.
There goes Maximum.
Help me! Somebody help me! Don Don!
Don't worry, Abby. Cubix will bring him back. Hang on, mate. I got you.
Thanks a lot, Kenneth! I don't like heights. Not at all.
I'm coming, Don Don.
Make a right turn. Oh, that was a left. Oh, okay, this'll do. Roll camera. We're in downtown Bubbletown, where Hurricane Rosa has just paid a surprise visit. I'm meteorologist Flash Lightning for channel 553471.
Celsius, can you hear me?
He's not responding to any signals.
Hurricane 1 mile from Bubbletown Center.
Celsius, come in, Celsius. Can you hear me? Celsius!
Heights and blustery winds together are the worst.
Oops, sorry. He's back online.
Celsius, come in. Do you read me? Celsius, double charge, quick!
Roger, here we go. Launching double charge, pressure, ball!
Pressure shifting, hurricane dissipating.
He did it.
Celsius performed absolutely brilliantly.
Hurricane Rosa is now officially in the history books. The sky is so calm, I don't think you could fly a kite even if you wanted to.
Uh-oh, no wind. This is bad. Whoa, help me. Help me.
I gotcha.
Thank you, Cubix.
There he is, under the rainbow. Pull over right up there. Hey, Celsius.
I'm flashlighting from channel 553471 News. Can I, have an interview with you?
With me? I suppose so.
Push in for a close-up. Come on, come on. Celsius, you may not realize this, but when people hear what you've done,
You're going to become a hero, a celebrity, a superstar.
Me? A star? Ooh, I like the sound of that.
Here you go, Don. You're grounded.
That robot! He stopped the hurricane.
All by himself.
That's amazing.
We have a treat for you, ladies and gentlemen. Bubbletown's newest hit pod, Celsius.
Out in the world one day and he's already famous.
Ciao, baby! What's up? Que pasa?
He may be new on the scene, but his lingo is au courant.
When's the contest, Connor?
It's tomorrow, and I gotta rebuild my transceiver.
In my day, we didn't have transceivers. We just listened to the wind.
Oh yeah. That's so last century, Dad.
Last century?
Okay, make fun. But if you listen carefully, you could steer your kite through the wind like it was connected to your hand.
Wow.
I need to chill out, you need to chill out, baby! And to help you, here's some wind, hail, and freezing rain!
He's got ego explosion disorder. His EPU was too new to handle all of the attention.
We better bring him in before he really flips out.
It's Bubbletown's hippest spot, Celsius! How about a nice little shower to cool off all these hot dancers?
Oh, you got it, baby! Coming right at you, yeah!
Come on, everybody! Do the Celsius! Go!
Welcome to Bubbletown's annual kite flying contest.
Pardon me, young man. Do you have time for an interview?
Huh? You want to talk to me?
Sure. Tell us about your kite.
Well, I built the transceiver.
Wait a second. If you want to talk to the winner, you want to talk to me.
Hey, he means me, of course. Me too.
I'll go wide.
We'll interview all of you.
Okay, sports fans, I'm ready for
My close-up.
Celsius, please step aside.
No.
I'm afraid you're blocking the camera.
Say what, dude?
No offense, but you're yesterday's news, Celsius.
Yesterday's news?
Yeah, Maximix and I are today's big news.
You don't know that. Maybe me and Cerebrix will be the big story. I'd like to thank all the little people.
But I'm a star.
We have mobility, strength, and speed. Right, Cubix?
That's right.
Okay, now, what do you say we get a shot of all of you with your kite?
Okay. Come on.
Yeah.
You want news, baby? Oh, give you news. Robots and kites, get ready to fly!
Connor, you'll never beat the Maximon kite. It's just not gonna happen.
Ha! Bring it on, big guy.
Cutting mark. Get set. Launch the pig.
Let's go!
northwest wind at 20 miles per hour.
I'll see you 20 and raise you 40.
The wind is picking up.
It sure is.
Look out, everyone! There's a wind funnel moving in! Over there! Celsius is doing it!
I'm yesterday's news, Mr. Big Shot talk show host. Well, I've got a flash for ya. A lightning flash! And here's some wind and hail on the side, baby! Maybe I'll start my own show. I'll call it Whether or Not, starring Celsius. It could have interviews, comedy, some music, maybe some sketches. Whoa!
Kinky. And I was having such a lovely dream.
Was it the one where you become a robot?
Yes, but this time I was the king robot. Now let's see what bumped into us. We'll eyeball the perimeter, so to speak. There! What is that?
It looks like the weather robot that was on TV.
I sure would like to get a hold of his powers. Colossal! Go get that robot and bring him here.
Hey, Blimpy! You seem to have an overinflated sense of yourself. It's probably because you're so full of hot air. Oh, that's good. Gotta add that one to my monologue. What's that?
Gotcha!
Oh, hello!
Good catch, Colossal!
Oh, you wanna fight? Do ya?
Now reel him in!
I'm going to talk about you on my show, you know. I'm going to say he was tougher once I disarmed him. He was nothing.
That was cold.
No, this is cold, baby.
Wanna play rough, do we? Huh? Oh, there's a draft in here. It'll be a cold day in the equator before you beat me. All right, time to call in reinforcements. These guys are going to help me make my point.
Uh-oh.
You're a big celebrity. You should be used to the buzz. Killabot, go and take care of that pest.
Right away.
Oh, they look kind of mad. Maybe I should take 5. Whoa! He doesn't look too happy either. Gotta go. Maybe we can do lunch sometime.
Let's get him.
What a disaster! Is anybody's kite airworthy?
My navigation module is intact, but we won't be catching any wind with this. My radar's out.
Can't steer with torn arm rudders.
Everyone's missing something.
I was thinking, maybe we could patch them together. That might just work.
Yeah! Let's try it!
All right, which way should I go?
You there! You're ruining the kite competition! Now fix the weather!
I'd love to, but the thing is that I have to run. And if I were you, I would do the same!
Got you! Oh, nailed me right in the back side panel. I feel like I'm going into suspend mode.
Oh, they must be sleep stingers. Know what that means?
That Dr. K sent him.
That's right, and he sent me too.
Look up there!
It's Kilobot!
We can't let them get Celsius. Cubix, let's go!
go back to Rubik's Corp now?
End of the line, Weatherbot.
You want to fight? All right, let's go. Hi-ya! On second thought, see you later.
Get back here.
Oh no, not the bees again!
Get off of him! Hey! Celsius, can you hear me? You must be in suspend mode. I'm coming to help you. Celsius, I can't get through the wind barrier. It's much too strong.
I can't stop it. I can't control myself. Everything is frozen.
I'll try again. There must be a way in. Maybe I should do what Graham said.
If you listen to the wind, you can steer your kite like it's connected to your hand.
I'll try it. Listen to the wind. Ride the current. Let it steer you. Whoa! It worked. I'm in. Celsius, we need to shut you down. Do you know where your power off switch is?
I think it's in back of me.
Where?
Either right below my barometric sensor or else next to the... Whoa! Help me!
I'm coming, Celsius. Hang on.
Cubix, are you okay?
Yes.
We'll go and get Celsius.
Okay, I'll handle Kilobot. I'm going to finish you off, Cubix. No, I'm going to finish you off. Let's go.
Going into dive mode.
Adjusting for hover status.
Get set to capture.
Launch capture pods, now!
Got it!
We're aligning your feeder circuit, Celsius.
Oh, okay.
One more adjustment and you'll be back to normal.
Oh, that's great. Huh? Something's coming toward me!
I'm coming, Celsius. Gotcha. You are weak, Cubix. You tried to save another robot rather than yourself. Now I'll destroy you both. Watch out!
Good one, Cubix. Mind if I join you?
Go right ahead.
All right. Charge!
Kilobot, time for you to go for a spin.
We did it! Good teamwork, you guys.
Back at ya.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, the weather outside is delightful. And my robots are so frightful. Killabot, did you get all of Celsius's data?
Cubix interrupted me, but I copied one entire sector.
Well then, let's see what kind of storm you can create.
Right away.
Give me hail and sub-zero temperatures and swooping winds of 150 miles per hour! What? That's what you copied? The ability to make sunny skies? You fool! I hate sunny skies!